Hello, Uppers community. My name is Yeasin Shamim, and I am a full stack developer with a passion for creating seamless and innovative web applications. I have 2 years of hands on experience. In July 2022, I got a solid 3 month paid internship from Mind Harmonics in Punjab. After that, I have been working remotely with Layerhub SRL in Peru since September 2022. There, I am putting my expertise to use in real world projects. I'm your go-to person for all things web related, whether it's HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, React.js, Next.js, Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS, and design, Node.js, Expert.js, REST API, MongoDB, SQL, PostgreSQL, Prisma, Docker, Linux, Amazon Web Service, and even Figma to React.js, etc. I'm all about teamwork and good communication. I want to understand your project inside out, just like I did during my internship and my current remote job with Layerhub SRL. If you are on the lookout for a developer with real world experience who can bring your ideas to life, hit me up. Let's talk about how I can help make your project stand out. Don't be shy, drop me a message and let's get started. Thanks for checking out my profile. Can't wait to connect with you and turn those ideas into reality. Reach out soon and let's build something amazing together.